Hey, how you doing? Hoping you're having a really awesome day. Want to share a real quick tip with you. And this is something I learned many years ago when I was looking and doing research on my competitors. It is buy your competitors' stuff. If you're interested in a particular product, maybe you're interested in buying or jumping on, for example, children's toys, right? And you've got a particular product that you're interested in. What I do, because I want to see their funnel, is I buy their product from Amazon, right? I want to see what it looks like. Well, how does it come? Does it come in a ribbon? Does it come pre-packaged? Is there a thank you note in there? Are they trying to get me to go to their website, right? So I want to see like the little tricks or the strategies that my competitors, who I'm going to go up against, what they're using. So don't be afraid of buying stuff. Don't be afraid of actually going out there and actually buying stuff from your competitors, because you want to see their funnel. You want to see basically what are they sending out, because this is stuff that you guys can use as well. I do this also a lot when it comes to bestsellers. You know, I identify what the bestseller is for that particular niche, and they've got to be doing something right? They have to be doing something right. Otherwise, you know, they are the bestseller. So they've got their stuff together. So buying their product, you'll be able to have like an inside look and into their funnel, into their system, into the entire sales process. You know, I want to see what thank you letters get sent out. You know, I want to see, what actually, what do they follow up with me? Do they send me an email and say, hey, Alex, thanks so much for buying our product. Can you give us a feedback? I want to see that, because I can use that, copy it, and replicate it for my product. So guys, just want to share that with you. Have an awesome day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.